Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Fad, and today we are going to discuss 20 top most important MCQs of the derivative of second year. So here, this is the first MCQ, that is the derivative of sin square x plus cos square x to the whole square. The derivative of this we have to find out. So here, sin square x plus cos square x, if it is possible, first we have to simplify the question before finding its derivative. So sin square x plus cos square x, it is equals to 1. Square of 1 is 1 and the derivative of 1 is 0. That means the D part of MCQs 1 is correct. So here the first MCQs and the D part is correct here. Now come to the second MCQs here, that is derivative of, this is the exponential type function here. This is, we have to find out the derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x here. So let's suppose this is equals to 10. So we have to adopt the same procedure whenever the exponential type function is given to you. So this is, take out the ln on both sides. And now we have to find out its differentiation, differentiate with respect to x. So this is ln y. So the derivative of ln y is 1 upon y, and the derivative of y is, before finding this, first we have to line down ln here. This is 10 power sin x. We have to take out y on both sides. Let's suppose this is equals to y. Now take out the ln y, it is equals to ln 10 power sin x. This is the exponential type function, and we have to take out ln on both sides, and we have to use the same strategy when we have to find out the derivative of exponential function. That means the power, it is in the form of function here. And now the property of ln is this power become the coefficient of the function here. Now we have to find out its derivative here. So remember that this is sin x is the function, ln 10 it is the coefficient as constant. So now here we have to differentiate with respect to x. So this is 1 upon y, ln y, the derivative of ln y is 1 upon y, and the derivative of y is dy upon dx. Derivative of sin x is cos x. ln 10 remains same. Remember that these are not two functions in product form, because this is ln 10. ln 10 is as constant as coefficient of sin x. So this is here cos x ln 10x into y, this y. So this is cos x ln 10, and the value of y is 10 power sin x. So this is the correct answer here. Now let's see, the correct answer is 10 power sin x, cos x 10x. That means the B part is correct here. So here now we have to find out, come to the third MCQs here. The third MCQs is e power y is equals to e power sine inverse x. So when we have to find out the derivative, so this is dy upon dx. The derivative of e with anything remains same, and then we have to find out the derivative of sine inverse x. So the derivative of sine inverse x, it is equals to radical 1 minus x square. We have the formula of sine inverse x of the derivative here. So the correct option, the answer of this MCQs is e power sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square. So let's see, this is e power sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square. So this is the correct option, B of the third MCQs here. Now dear students, come to the MCQs 4 and 2. 4 and 2, if we have to compare, so we have to use the same strategy because this is again a exponential type function here. So this is y is equals to 3 2x square plus 1 here. So what we have to do here, take out the ln on both sides, that is 2x square plus 1, and the property of ln is the power become the coefficient of ln function. This is 2x square plus 1 become the coefficient here. Now we have to differentiate. So the ln derivative of ln y, it is 1 upon y, and the derivative of y is dy upon dx. Now here again ln 3 is as constant as the coefficient here. So when we have to differentiate, so we have just one function, that is 2x square plus 1. ln 3 is not the function here. So this is the 4x ln 3. So we have to shift this y to the right hand side. So the answer of this y, and we have to put the value of y, that is 3 power 2x square plus 1. So this is the correct answer of this MCQs here. So let's see. Here this is 3 power 2x square plus 1 and then 4x and then ln 3x. That means the D part of the fourth MCQs is correct, is D part here. Now come to the fifth part here. Now come to the fifth MCQs here. The fifth MCQs is y is equals to e power ln into sine x square. The most important MCQs, e power, this is fifth MCQs we are talking about. Y is equals to e power ln sine x square. So here it will be cancelled out. This is sine x square, and now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So the derivative of sine will be cos with the same angle, and the derivative of x square will be 2x. So here the correct answer is cos x square, 2x into x square, 2x into x square. So this is the correct answer. C part is the correct option of the fifth MCQs here. Now come to the sixth MCQs here, that is sine square x. Power is on the function, so that will be 2 sine x, and the derivative of sine x will be equal to cos x. So the answer is 2 sine x cos x. The correct option is B. Now here this is f of x is equals to sine 9x. This is f of x is equals to sine 9x. So the derivative will be equals to, differentiate sine 9x, that will be cos 9x, and the derivative of 9x, the derivative of x is 1, so 9 ones are 9. So the correct answer is cos 9x, 9 cos 9x. The correct option is C of the seventh part. Now here students, very important MCQs again here. If x is equals to a sine theta and b is equals to, y is equals to b cos theta, so these are the parametric equation here because x and y are equal to the third variable here. So in this situation we have to find out dy upon dx here. So this is dx is equals to a sine theta. So we have to differentiate with respect to theta. So this is dx over d theta. A remains same. The derivative of sine theta, it is cos theta. Now take out the y here. So this is y is equals to b cos theta. So the derivative dy over d theta, that is b, and the cos theta is minus sine theta. This is the formula here. So this is minus b sine theta. So the parametric equation can be written in this form: dy upon dx, that will be equals to dy over dx and whole divided by dx over d theta, dy over d theta, dx over d theta. So here dy upon dx, that is minus b sine theta. Dx over d theta, it is a over cos theta. So this is minus b upon a sine over cos, that is tangent theta. So minus b upon a tangent theta. So the C option is correct here in the 8th MCQs. Now come to the 9th MCQs here. That is d over dx, very interesting. D over dx, it is 1 over cot x. So 1 over cot x, so first we have to write down its simple form here. That will be tangent x. So the derivative of tangent is sec square x. So the correct option is B of the 9th MCQs here. So this is the 10th part, log at the base ax. We have a formula. We have the formula for the derivative here, that is 1 over x ln a. So here this is f of x is equals to ln x cube. So we have to find out the derivative at x is equals to minus 2 here. So this is f sorry, this is f of x is equals to ln x cube. So derivative is, the derivative of ln will be equals to 1 over whatever they given to you with the ln, and the derivative of x cube is 3x square. So this is whole cancel out, and this is 3 upon x, and the value of x, it is equals to 2 minus 2. So this is 3 over minus 2. So the correct option is minus 3 upon 2. So B part is correct of the 11th MCQs here. Again a very interesting MCQs here. This is d over dx ln e x square. Ln and e are inverse function. So therefore before finding its derivative, we have to write down x square ln e, and this will be equals to 1 x square, and this is x square. So the derivative of x square, it is 2x. So the answer B is correct here. Now come to the 13th part here, 13 MCQs. CSC means the short form of cosec function. CSC means that is the cosec function, and cosec inverse, this is 3x. So the derivative of cosec, we have a formula, cosec x. I am going to write down the cosec x formula here. CSC, it is equals to minus 1 over x in the radical x square minus 1. This is the basic formula. So what is x here? Here x is 3x, so that will be equals to minus x, and 3x square means 9x square minus 1. So the correct option of this MCQs is minus 1 upon 3x, that 9x square minus 1 in the radical. So the correct option is C of the 13th MCQs here. Now a very confusing MCQs, that is the 14th MCQs, and the number of students normally write down the wrong answer here. This is the basic formula for the first principle. Limit x tends to a, f of x minus f of a divided by f minus a. 90% students write down this answer, that is the wrong. So this is the correct option B, that is f prime a. That is the f prime a. Derivative of f is a, not the derivative of f is x. So correct option is B here. So again this is the y is equals to 7 power x cube. Again we have a very important exponential type function, which we have already done in the same lecture, 2 exponential functions in the same lecture. So here again exponential type function, we have already discussed this. Before finding its derivative, we have to take out ln on both sides. So this is x cube here. So this is ln y. It becomes x cube ln 7. Now differentiate 1 upon y. The derivative of y is dy upon dx, and the derivative of x cube, it is equals to 3x square ln 7. So we have to shift this y to the right hand side here. So this is x square ln 7 and the value of y is 7x cube. So now we have to see the correct option here. In this situation, number 1, 3x square ln 7 and 7 power x cube, that means the D part of this MCQs is correct. Now come to the 16th part here. The 16th part, the derivative of cos x with respect to tangent x. So we have to suppose that this is equals to y equals to cos x and this is equals to u tangent x. Now we have to find out, we have to use these equations as parametric equations. So this is dy upon dx. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now u is equals to tangent x. So the derivative of tangent is sec square x. So we have to find out the dy over du. So this can be written dy over dx divided by du over dx. So just we have to write down here the values here. So this will be equals to, just we have to put their values. This is dy over dx, here minus sin x and whole divided by du over dx, that is sec square x. So this is minus sin x, 1 upon sec square, that is the cos square x. So the correct option is minus sin x and cos square x. Minus sin x cos square x. So the C option is correct, minus sin x cos square x. So the correct option C of the 16th MCQs here. Again we have the parametric equation. Again this is x is equals to theta plus 2 and y is equals to theta square minus theta, and we have to find out dy upon dx. So again this is x is equals to theta plus 2. So we have to differentiate with respect to theta here. So the derivative of theta is 1 and the derivative of 2 is 0. Now y is equals to theta square minus theta. So the derivative of theta square is 2 theta and the derivative of theta is 1. Now we have to find out, this is theta. Now we have to find out dy over dx, that can be written dy over d theta divided by dx over d theta. So this is 2 theta minus 1 divided by 1, and the correct answer is 2 theta minus 1. That is the B part is correct of the 17th MCQs here. Now come to the 18th MCQs here, that is f of x is equals to it is equals to e power minus x plus sine 2x minus x square at x is equal to 0. So this is the derivative here. E of minus x remain e of minus x and the derivative of minus x is 1. The derivative of sine 2x, it is equals to cos 2x and the derivative of 2x is 2 and the derivative of x square is 2x. So here the derivative is of this equation is this. So now we have to put the value of x is equal to 0. So this is 0, 2 cos 2 0 and minus 2 is 0. So here e power 0 means 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. 2 cos 2 0, so cos 0 minus 2 1s are 2 0 0. So this is cos 0 is 1, so 2 1s are 2, so that our correct option is 1. So here the correct option of the 18th MCQs is C part. Now come to the 19th part here. This is f of x is equals to x ln 2, and we have to differentiate with respect to x, so the derivative of x is 1 and this is ln 2. Dear students, remember that this is ln 2 as constant function, the coefficient of x. So therefore we are not supposed to apply the product rule here. Function is x, so the derivative of x is 1, so the direct answer is ln 2. ln 2, that is the A option is correct. Again a very interesting MCQs here, that is the last MCQs, the 20th MCQs here. Y is equals to sine square 3x plus cos square 3x. With the same angle, sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1. So the derivative of 1 is 0. So the correct option is B of the 20th MCQs. Dear students, we have discussed the most top 20 MCQs of the derivative. In the next lecture, we will discuss the 20 most important MCQs related to the circle here. So we have discussed a very important 20 MCQs of the derivative. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.